Hi all, welcome back. Today I am sharing Kunna gosht or Matka gosht recipe. Very yummy gravy with subtle flavors. It is said to be originated during the time of undivided India and cooked in the houses of Pathan. Today let's start making it. It used to be cooked on coal on a matka. Today we'll make it in a pressure cooker. So heat the pressure cooker and I'm going to add 2 tablespoons ghee and 1 tablespoon oil. If you want, you can use only oil or only ghee, whatever you prefer. And once the ghee is heated, I'll be adding 2 medium-sized onions, nicely sliced. Now I'm going to saute the onions until they are translucent. The flavor of this gravy is similar to nihari, but if you ask me, it is even more yummier because it is much simpler to make and it is just so subtle to your taste buds. Adding some cinnamon sticks for flavor. And half spoon of turmeric powder, salt to taste, and nicely sauteed. Now I am going to add 1.5 spoon ginger paste and 1.5 spoon garlic paste. Whenever you are cooking any meat dish, always increase the quantity of ginger garlic. It not only helps in adding flavor but also helps in removing the odor of the non-veg. Now at this point I am going to add the mutton and nicely saute until it changes its color. While the mutton is getting sauteed, I will be preparing the spice mix. For this I am adding 1 spoon cumin seeds, 1.5 spoon coriander seeds and 1 spoon black peppercorns. That's it, nothing else. These are the spices I am going to use. Now nicely powder it in a mixer. The texture should be like this. After the mutton is nicely sauteed, going to add the spice mix and nicely saute it until the smell of the spices goes away. Now I am going to cook the mutton until it is soft and tender. For this I am going to pressure cook it for full steam, for 1 steam on full flame, and after that on low flame for 20 minutes. Adding 700 ml of water and adding some salt because it needed some salt, and now I'll pressure cook it. While the mutton is getting cooked, let's prepare flour and water mix. For this I'm adding 1.5 spoon flour and enough water to make a runny paste. Like this. I'm also going to heat up some charcoal until it is bright red. This gives a nice smoky and rustic flavor to the dish and also takes it to the next level. Now the mutton is cooked. Now I'll be adding the flour mix and cook it for around 2 to 3 minutes. After it is nicely cooked, I'm going to give the smoky marination. Now keeping the charcoal in a steel bowl and adding few drops of oil. As soon as I add oil, smoke will start to come out and immediately you have to close the pressure cooker lid so that the smoke remains inside and the meat absorbs all the flavor. Immediately close it and let it rest like this for around 15 minutes or so. Now after it is nicely rested, I'm going to take it out and serve it in a handi and garnish it with some coriander leaves. Yummy matka gosht is ready. Do try it. I know you won't regret it. And thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this. And bye guys. Do subscribe to my channel. Bye.